How is it going, everybody? So you'll see it everywhere you look, no matter what social media you're looking at. People complain about their phone sliding off the table. And this happens only when you don't have a case on it, because when you have a case, most cases have that raised edge right there, okay? Now, the only reason your phone will not slide off the table is if your table is 100% level. It has to be 100% level. This table right here is level because I got tired of my different phones sliding off the table. Now, here is the reason your phone will slide off a table so easily. And yes, a lot of people want to be like, well, it's a flat, slick display. That's true. But what they're not telling you is whenever you set your phone down like this, you still have, and you can even feel it, you still have air molecules in between the table and in between the phone. And what happens is if your table isn't level, those air molecules will actually act like, you can say, little wheels, right? And your phone will just be able to slide right off. And it happened to me the other day. I have another table in another room, and I had this on it. Thankfully, it wasn't that high of a table, but it slowly slid off. All right, so y'all need to be aware of that. And look, I want to say something else real quick. I've used a lot of phones over the years. And long story short, you're literally, the way I see it, you're literally crazy if you're not going to put your $1,200 phone inside of a case. This is not a case video, but I'm just going to put it in the case just for now because I never feel comfortable leaving my phone outside of a case. So I just wanted to make a video explaining to you all, I guess you could say, the dynamics of the science, whatever, why your phone so easily slides off a table. Just remember, if you don't have a case on your phone and you're setting it there on the table, you're going to have like air molecules in between the table and in between your phone. That's what causes that. And yes, your phone is slippery and the surface is slippery. That could be it too. But for the most part, these phones are manufactured perfectly straight. I mean, they are spot on. And if your table is perfectly straight, whenever you set it down, it will go. If you set it down without a case, it'll slide right off. But like I was saying earlier, you literally have to be crazy to not put a case on your $1,200 phone. Hopefully this answers some questions. If you guys have any comments, hit me up in the comments. Thank you all. Take care.